Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate any image in Adobe Express, whether you are straightening your photo or creating a font design. So let's jump right into it. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. After connecting your device to the Wi-Fi, simply open Adobe Express application. After opening your Adobe application, simply log in to your Google or Facebook account. After you have logged in, simply select photo which you want to rotate from the plus icon and upload media. Suppose I want to rotate this image and click the photo, you will see the option called transform. Simply click on it. After clicking on transform, you will see the option called rotate. Simply click on it and you can rotate however you want, at 180 degree or 130 degree or how much degree you want. After rotating, reposition the image if needed. When you are happy with the result, simply click on the download and download it, and that's how easy it is to rotate an image in Adobe Express. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will catch you on the next one.